That's so cute.
Saf. Doe nooit meer met dit soort dingen. Als je dat doet, gooi ik heel die spaarpot van je weg.
I finished getting the nails done.
Yeah, spam on the beat. Girl, nobody. Mami, yo te quiero aquí. Nada fancy, just working for a G. Me dice que you tiki tiki tick, girl. Date media vuelta, let's see. Rebota con el 1, 2, 3.
I have a package from Zalando. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, go. You're getting thick. You're getting thick, Mamash. Mamash is getting thick. You don't want to get thick? No? Okay, sorry. Hi Amiga, what is up? I am currently cooking dinner because I wanna go for a little walk with Safi in a little bit. I think she might be over 3 kilos right now, but tomorrow we have an appointment with the doula that comes at home, so we will know her new weight for sure. But it's been a few days, and we also raised her consumption of her milk. She now drinks 90 ml instead of 70 ml. So I do think that she gained a little weight and that she's over the 3 kilos now. So therefore we're gonna go outside, and it's also a nice day today outside. So we're gonna go maybe to the bakery or to the supermarket and get like a few little things that I need, but it's mostly for the walk that we are going. So I already got ready. I just need to put on my outfit in a little bit, and when she wakes up from her nap, I'm going to freshen her up, put her in a little outfit, and so we can go outside. I am currently making pasta for tonight. I am making chicken ground meat with veggies, and then I'm gonna mix it with pasta. So that's gonna be our dinner for tonight. Really easy, and it's also gonna last us for 2 days, so that's great. Then tomorrow I won't have to cook, which is amazing, because those are... Safi is waking up. That means I need to hurry. But anyways, let me finish making this, get Safi dressed, and then we can go outside. Hey baby. Hey. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Oh. Look at this little face. Look at this little face. I am obsessed. I am obsessed, baby. You're getting thick. You're getting thick, Mamash. Mamash is getting thick. You don't want to get thick? No? Okay, sorry. Such a good day to be outside. Safi completely dozed off, so I think the fresh air is good for her as well. So happy to be outside. Oh my god. And with my baby. Ooh. Amiga, I've been home for a while. Benny is also home now, and it was such a good... What is her? Anyways, we have been home for a while, and Benny is now home too. The walk was amazing, so I really am happy that we decided to go outside. Safi slept the whole time throughout the whole thing, but that's a sign that she was having a good time, you know. So yeah, we might do that more often when the weather is good. And now I'm going to wash our fruits and produce, because Benny bought some fruits and I haven't unpacked them yet. And I'm also gonna finish like mixing up dinner, mixing the pasta with the veggies and the ground meat. So yeah, that's that. But today was a good day, huh, mamas? Today was a good day, right? Wasn't today a good day? What, amigas? Yeah.
Schatje, doe nooit meer met dit soort gekke programma's. Daarvoor spaar ik niet voor jou. That's so cute. Saf. Doe nooit meer met dit soort dingen. Als je dat doet, gooi ik heel die spaarpot van jou weg. Goed, schatje?
Waarom?
Je kan niet daarvoor sparen, toch? Hoe kan je sparen? Dan ga je meedoen met dat soort dingen. Dan waarvoor moet ik je dat spaargeld geven? Zodat je mooie kleren kan kopen om daar te gaan. Voor buffoonerie. Hoe kan iemand van twee mensen houden? Tegelijk.
But you love her and me.
Ja, man. Wat?
You love her and you love me.
I love her more than you, though.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Alright
So,
then.
now if you want to marry us, actually you're in a blind date now with us.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and you should ask us to get married
What?
with you, to you. Yes.
No.
Toch, Saf? Mama needs to ask us, to marry Team Backless. Huh? Wat zeg je? Oh, mama moet 5 jaar wachten.
Hell no. Hell no.
Kijk daar gezegd. Ze is serieus, hoor.
It is now the next day and I have a package from Zalando. If you didn't know, our baby is a smaller size just because she was born underweight. I explained it in my previous vlogs, so if you didn't know about that, yes, she was underweight. She's gaining her weight now, and we expected her to be a size 50 by now, but she still isn't. She's still a tiny legend. So the other day I was just complaining that I'm tired of seeing her in the same things, and Benny came to the rescue and ordered her a few new things. So we're gonna open it. Let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And I'm obsessed with the little hearts. Oh my god. Oh, and it has like little footsies. Oh, I love it. So cute. Yay. So we have like a 3-piece set or 2-piece, 3-piece set. Oh my god, this is so adorbs. Oh, so cute. Like, look. It's like a 3-piece set. Like a white one on the front, a polka dot one, darker shade of pink one. Oh my god, I love it. So cute. Oh my god. Now we have another set of, how much is in this one? 3. No, 4. 4. This is the first one. Adorable. The second one. Oh my goodness. And the last one. So cute. And this one even has glitter. Oh my god, I love it. So cute. I think we're gonna give her a bath today and then put her in one of her new little outfits. So excited. Anyways, I am already showered and dipped my skincare, body care, put on a little comfy outfit because the Doula is coming today. I need to be ready for that, you know. Sophie is gonna wake up from her nap in about half an hour. I give her like 30 minutes still, and then she will be waking up. So I am going to make breakfast real quick for myself, get myself situated for when the Doula gets here. Yeah, go.
Ja hoor.
Hoeveel?
Ja, prima. 3 kilo 170.
Yay! Good job, mamas! Good job! Over the 3 kilo!
zie je echt even hier?
So amiga, today I am getting my nails done because I have such outgrown nail, it's crazy. So I am gonna get them done, and then after that I want to get a nail kit so that I can keep up with the maintenance at home. But I have some content to film tomorrow and I want the nails to look good for the content, so therefore I'm still gonna get them done professionally, and then in the next few weeks I have time to practice with my own kit at home. Okay, so yeah, let's go get my nails done and get some errands done in the city after. But first thing, coffee. Oh my god, this is such a cute face. Finished getting the nails done. Look at that. Look at the nails. So pretty. I am not even gonna lie to you. It's not the same day anymore. I did save all the stuff that I bought to do a little haul with you, but I got home and my baby is currently in a growth spurt. So we are trying to deal with that for the last 3 days, I think. Yeah. And the last 2 days have been really tough because it's just, she's so little. She can't really communicate to you what she wants, what is wrong, and it's just her crying, complaining, and wanting to drink more. And then on top of that, I need to pump more milk, need to produce more milk. So it has been quite challenging, but she of course became my priority. So anyways, and I was afraid that I had to put her on a formula because I just couldn't keep up with the demand that she had for food, for breast milk. But luckily I was able to fix that. But on top of that, I just didn't need the stress of having to document everything. So therefore, here I am 2 days later. But I thought I would do a little haul for you. I went to Rituals because Rituals is just my favorite self-care brand. Yeah, and I just love them, and I just think, especially now that I'm postpartum, I really think self-care is super important, and I just love to pamper myself with good smelling stuff. So they have a new line right now, and it's called the Ritual of Yozakura, and I got the body lotion from that line. I also got 2 of the shower gel from that line. It smells really good, and I'm already bummed that it's like a limited edition collection because why. It smells so good. I wish that they would just keep this in the assortment, but I decided to get 2 of the shower gels. Shower gels goes really fast with me all the time. And then one of the collections that I always love, so when I see this I always buy it, is the Ritual of Oud. So I got the shower gel from this one as well. And then this is not from Rituals but from Holland and Barrett. It's the Dr. Bronner lavender soap. I really love this for my down under area, and also to wash my behind, you know. It's really good. It's really low in pH, and it really makes you smell so fresh, so clean. I love that. And of course it's just to wash the outside, okay? Never wash the inside of your kitty cat. That's just not good. Then I got a whole bunch of stuff for my baby. Where to even start? I got her some glasses, like look at these. I also got her these from H&M. They are so cute. There's no tags on it anymore because I tried it on her and it was adorable. Then I got her a whole bunch of clothes. Some from H&M and some from Zeeman, and some also from Hema. I got her this romper set. So adorable, 3 different colors. So cute, like I love it. Then I got her this little 2-piece set. It's just leggings with a little romper on top, and it has like these little peaches on it, which is really adorable. And then another set with a little peach on it. This is like a green legging, and then the top or romper has like this tiny little peach here, which is absolutely adorable as well. Then I got her this little pajama, or like they call it kruipakje in Dutch, but I don't know what this is called. Like just a little 1-piece set. This is from Zeeman. So cute. They have the cutest baby stuff and not that expensive at all. I got her some more of these rompers in her current size 44, because she is just so tiny and I don't have enough of these, I feel. So I got her this color. These are really basic though. This one and this one. And then I got her some leggings at Hema. This one with the little cherries on it. So adorable. Oh my god. And then this one with like a flower print. Super cute. And so tiny. Like, oh my god. And then she already has this little 1-piece, but I decided to get it in a bigger size because I love it so much. It is from Miffy, by the way. Like, look, it's from Miffy or Nijntje, and it's so adorable, but I am already sad by thinking that she's gonna grow out of it soon. So I decided to get it in a bigger size for her as well. So yeah, that's all the stuff that I got for my baby right now. When I go and I shop, I always need to buy her something. I don't know why, but I love it, okay? Don't mind me. I got this dress from Vila. So cute for myself. I thought this would be super cute when it's warmer outside for the summer. And then I also got this bodysuit for myself. It's just a simple white bodysuit. And then last but not least, I went to Pink Jellock and I got this box of like a whole starter kit with everything that you need for gel nails, because I'm gonna start doing my own nails at home, just because I'm gonna be home with Safar for a year, and I don't believe that doing my nails every 3 weeks and paying 50 euros every 3 weeks is affordable for me. So yeah, I decided to invest in my own Jellock set. This has a lamp in it, like everything that you could need. The only thing that I need to order is a drill, and then I have everything at home to do my own nails. So I got that, and I got 2 more fun colors. So I got this orange color and then this red color, because I love red nails, and this box only have like nudes in it. So there you go. baby is now down for a nap. I finished editing my video. I'm currently... Whoa. Baby woke up from her nap. The mailman came with a package for me. Okay. Mama, she just woke up from her nap. How are you? Say hi to the amigas. Hello, amigas. Say hello. Oh, you're covered in drool. You are covered in drool, baby. Fixating on the oranges again? Poor thing, she is hungry. Can you imagine being on a liquid diet? Same girl, same. Poor thing, she barely cries except for when she's hungry. Then she is loud. But I get it, I get it. I can't imagine just being on a milk diet. That is just crazy. Right? Hey mama, that's crazy, right? Yeah. I'm sorry, I had one job. I had to have your bottle ready when you woke up. Huh? And I was getting to it, I promise. I really was. Anyways. Okay, baby has her food and now it's mommy's turn. And for lunch, I want to make sausage paper with sandwiches. So, let's make that. Alright, Amiga, I finished making lunch. I have sausage paper sandwiches and a cup of coffee. And also water in my tumbler. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this. Baby girl is looking at me. Try to pump some milk for her after. And then I'm gonna put her down for a nap. And try to get myself showered and everything for the day. And she will get a bath with our next feeding round. Right? Mm-hmm. Oh my god, today is one of those days that I'm even lucky to have been able to take a shower. Because she's already woken up. They taught me to always give her a bath first and then feed her, but right now I'm gonna feed her and then give her a bath because a few seconds ago she was like she was gonna scream her head off. So we're gonna give you food first. Here you go. Here you go. But it's okay because this too shall pass. You know, days like this are part of it. And she's only gonna be this little once, you know, so. You hungry, mamash? You hungry? Bisa nang a mí sí gusta tener mi copa limpi. A mí sí gusta tener mi copa limpi. Tu día me te gusta. Ven a mi cabello y limpia mi orella para ya no salir caer. Safi gusta banha? Safi gusta banha, mommy? Hey, mamash. You enjoying yourself? Huh, self-care queen? Are you enjoying yourself? Limpi. A mí sí gusta tener mi copa limpi.
A mí sí gusta tener copa limpi. A mí sí gusta tener mi copa limpi. No está mi chanet, chico, gusta bañabo. Pega copa limpi, agua y jabón. No está mi...
Good morning, amiga. It's the next day and I had such an emotional morning. We had a consultation at home for Safi, and she reached 3.5 kilos. So our baby girl is officially on her goal weight. And how much was she exactly?
540 grams. 3540 gram.
Yeah, that. And she's now also laying in her bed, but she's doing so well. They were impressed with her growth and everything that she can do now. She's just doing everything as she is supposed to, and we are so proud of her. This asks for a celebration, but I don't know how yet because the weather is not that great. So I don't know how we're gonna celebrate it, but I think we should. So I'm gonna think of how we can celebrate this. But yes, our baby girl is getting so big. How do you feel, Benny?
I feel great.
Yeah. The other day she was looking at her hands like, what are these, you know? And the lady just said like, yeah, that's normal. She needs to discover all those things. She's gonna have the same thing with her feet. And then when she has that, she's gonna want to put her feet in her mouth. Those kind of things, yeah. So, yeah, so excited for it. But she's getting so big. And she's now sleeping in her big girl baby bed still. Oh, all by herself. And she's so calm and doing so well. She's been there in 10 minutes. For 10 minutes now, but still. Still. Yeah. Yesterday I was just folding her clothes and I put her in her crib. And she was so excited to be in there that she was like moving so much that she was throwing up her food. I had to put her in a little like baby chair in her bed so she could still enjoy it. But she was just so excited to be in there, which is just so cute to me that we did good. We did good with putting the whole room together. Yeah. We're listening on the baby phone. Anyways, I'm proud of her, okay? I just wanted to share that real quick. Oh my goodness! You're so strong! You're so strong, baby! Oh my god! Yeah! Good job, baby! Good job, baby! What is it? Goed zo! Mwah. Goed zo! Look at her neat little outfit of the day. Her whole outfit is from Hema.
Food!
It's good. Yes. My happiness from 0 to 10.
On the scale from 0 to 10.
10 plus.
Okay.
Yeah, 10 plus 10. I'm very happy. Hi, Amiga. Your girl is back home. I went into the city today to just get some errands done, get some fruits, some veggies, things like that, but also to get some fresh air. And meanwhile, Benny was home with the baby. And now I thought I would give you a quick little grocery haul of all the things that I got. Okay, first thing is oatmeal, the cinnamon oatmeal. These are really easy, especially at night. You know, when you quickly want to breastfeed, but you need to eat something extra because, honey, when you breastfeed, the hungers you get is wild. Anyways, got us some chips. I also got us some sweets because tomorrow and Monday are Easter.
Sorry.
I got these cherry cakes. Dino cookies. Whole wheat sandwiches, like the tiny ones. The normal, regular, schmegular, simple oatmeal. Chicken filet and schnitzels. I really want to make some extravagant sandwiches tomorrow with the chicken filet. So peach and mango tea. This tea is so good. Bananas, pepperoni, oranges, blood oranges, yeah. Nuts and dried fruits. I got mango and papaya. Breastfeeding tea, 2 of those. And then also fennel tea and chamomile tea. Strawberries. Where is the love? And last but not least, these sesame snaps. These are so good for milk supply. Girl, if you breastfeed, this is what you need. And Dodie's put me onto these, so thank you, Dodie's. These are really good when you breastfeed, you know. Gives you good quality milk and a lot of milk too. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna put all of this away and then I'm gonna have my dinner, which is a poke bowl that I got myself. And yeah, have my dinner, you know. I also have a video that I want to film tonight, and that is my labor and delivery story. So I'm gonna eat so I can film that and then take my makeup off and wind down for the night. Okay, so having a very productive day so far, but we're not done yet. So let's put this away and have dinner. I pumped milk for the baby and I just now get around to eat my food. But it is delicious. I'm gonna go eat this on the couch. Bye.